because if I tell you I came from very poor beginnings, and I've worked and struggled my way along life, throughout life. And finally, at my age now, at 48, I'm retired, which is fantastic due to CFX. Tell you how I did this. Well, Shane didn't go to college, but for me, everything was go to college and get a good earning. However, I couldn't afford to go to college. So I first had all my kids, and then I went back to school. And throughout that, after that, I got a very low income job and carried on working and carried on studying for another 10 years. And finally, in 2018, I achieved my MBA. However, with lots of debt behind me. So it wasn't an easy road. And how I met Shane was through another MLM long ago. And I quit it because I couldn't make anything of it. It wasn't working for me. And my hope in life was always to be helping women that came out from a situation like I was in, you know, like poor, lots of debt, struggling in life to bring up my children. So throughout my struggle, it was always to help other people. So when I met Shane and he showed me this, and I said, wow, this is absolutely easy to do. And by the way, I worked as an offshore investment advisor. And trying to find someone to invest offshore is always £100,000 and over. So what happens to the little people out there that like came from a background like me that cannot afford to save like that don't have that money to put into the market? So I was looking for something that could help people. So for me, CFX, I've grown massively just by introducing this to 7 of the closest people in my life. And I have a team of 380 people in Asia. So to tell you, I still have only 9 personals. The rest is all my team, and I support my team. So whenever they need help, I'm there. If I need to help them grow it, I'm there. So behind the scenes, this is what I do, is helping them. And for me, God has brought this into my life because I asked that, can I help poor people? So for many of you there that have money, yes, it's easy for you, but mind you, so many that I've helped are from poor homes, and they're so grateful that CFX has something to give, you know, to show them that, you know, we can do for you, we can help you. And yeah, for me, it was before I started this, I was leaving South Africa without a job. So I was leaving there, and I had to come here because of my boyfriend getting a job here, but I had no job. And I still have a family in South Africa that I take care of. So today I can say my kids are CFX. I am doing great. My brothers and my sisters are doing great, and all my friends. And it's due to a simple meeting with Shane, and I just went on board and said, God, you show me. I'm doing this in your name, and if it's true, I want to help those people out there. So for me, it's a driving force to help out the needy people. It's not so much that I benefit that much, but by God's grace, mind you all, I am. And I just want to say to my team, I'm here, I love you guys, you're doing great work. And to guys like Justin and Shane, thank you for all the leadership and the love that you give us and all the help. All those videos and all those marketing materials, it really helps. And, you know, if you go out there with a heart full of gold to help people, they will be ready to step on board.
I love it.
That's how it always brings tears to my eyes because of my struggles in life, I guess.
Yeah.
I must say, CFX really has changed my life to be having an MBA, and I can't get a job with an MBA anymore. And to be sitting here, if I show you my view out of this window, you'd be amazed at where I live in Scotland. And I can afford all this just because of CFX. I don't have any other job. And this is not a job, this is a passion for me. So thank you guys. And I'm saying to all of you out there, give it a chance, because I know $300 is a lot of money for many. But like me, once bitten, I wasn't shy a second time. I said, let me try again, and I won't fail this time. And I haven't. I have reached executive. I'm pushing on to become a manager, and I'm close to that. So I'm not. That Global Ambassador Award is mine, and that team is going to sit with me right to the top, and all my leaders are going to be there with me. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Reena. Reena, can you tell me what happened today? What message did you send me this morning? What did you upgrade to?
Okay, I've upgraded my account to a $10,000 account just by CashFX money. So
Good.
I started in September 4th, 2019. In 8 months, I've reached a $10,000 account by just using all my interest from CashFX. And yeah, it's such an amazing thing. And I never had $10,000 in my account before, in my bank account. And through working in financial service as offshore investor, I never even had that. So thank you to all of you, to God, and yeah, amazing team. You guys rock.
Thank you, Reena. Thank you so much. And thank you, Justin. I'll leave it to you to close up. Thank you so much.
We're gonna give some Bitcoin away, but I want to, Reena, I want to thank you for coming on here and sharing your heart with us. And I really want people to understand the power of this system. Should you decide to share it and take advantage of the rewards plan, is where you have the ability to come in with as little as $300 out of your pocket. And then, like Reena said, she shared this with 7 of her closest friends. And now she has over 300, I think 50 people in her team. And she's been able to compound those profits and increase the size of her package, which allows, I mean, if she's on a 10K package, she has $7,000 a month being automatically traded by CashFX. And I'm pretty sure she said she has no job today. This is her main source of income. And so guys, be sure to get back to the person that invited you here today and do whatever it takes for you to get started.